Today we have the 2021 Ford Ranger. This vehicle has done just over 44,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we approach the back of the vehicle, we can see that this is a crew cab. We have 5 seats in total, all of which are full black leather. On the steering wheel, we have features such as voice control and cruise control. On our touchscreen, we can access ambient lighting, valet mode and voice control, 4-pass connect, Apple and Android CarPlay, emergency assistance, navigation, Bluetooth and mobile apps. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. The Ranger also comes with lane assist, hill descent control, and 3 different driving modes to choose from.